Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit a posting on your Facebook business page. Whether you need to fix a typo, update information, or refine your message, knowing how to edit your published posts is essential for maintaining a professional online presence. Let's dive right in. First, navigate to facebook.com in your browser and log into your Facebook business account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Facebook homepage. From here, look at the left navigation menu where you'll typically find your shortcuts. Click on your Facebook business page listed there. This will take you directly to your business page where you can manage all your content and interactions. Once you're on your Facebook business management page, direct your attention again to the left navigation menu. Here you need to locate the Meta Business Suite option. This is Facebook's centralized hub for managing your business presence across Facebook and Instagram. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the next stage. You'll now be directed to your Meta Business Suite dashboard, which provides an overview of your business activities and performance. At the top of the screen, click on the Profile drop-down. When you do this, a business portfolio selection will appear, showing you the various business accounts you manage. From these options, locate the gear icon, which represents the settings. Click on this gear icon to access your business settings, where you can configure various aspects of your business presence. From your business portfolio settings page, scan through the options available until you find the Planner feature. Click on Planner to open it up. This tool is incredibly useful as it displays a calendar view of all your scheduled and published posts, organized by their appearance date. This visual layout makes it much easier to locate specific content and manage your posting schedule effectively. Now comes the actual editing part. Browse through the calendar and click on the specific post you wish to edit. This action will direct you to that content's overview page, where you can see all the details about that particular post, including its performance metrics and engagement data. Look toward the top right corner of this page where you'll find a three-dot icon. This is your menu for additional actions. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From these options, select Edit Post. And there you have it. You can now make whatever changes you need to your post, whether that's correcting text, updating links, or modifying images. This straightforward process ensures your Facebook business page always displays accurate, polished content that represents your brand professionally. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.